Ever yelled at your partner for breathing too loudly and then realize you haven't had water since yesterday? Yeah, you're not evil, you're just dry. Turns out thirst doesn't just mess with your body, it hijacks your brain. And there's an eerie little study that proves it, and it's freakier than you'd think. So here's the deal. In 2015, psychologists at the University of East London ran a peculiar little experiment. They wanted to test whether mild dehydration, as in skipping your morning glass of water, could mess with your mood, memory, and decision-making. We're not talking desert thirsty. Just forgot to refill your bottle thirsty. Turns out, that small slip can send your brain into chaos mode. In a quiet little lab, researchers rounded up a bunch of people and divided them into two groups. One got a tall, cool glass of water before taking cognitive tests. The other, dry as toast, no water allowed. The human equivalent of a raisin. Then they threw problems at them. Ethical dilemmas, risk-taking scenarios. Stuff like, would you gamble this money? Would you tell a white lie? Along with some tests, attention span, memory recall, reaction time, plus self-reported mood. Think of it as your average Tuesday with and without hydration. And surprise, dehydrated people got weird. People who were thirsty were more impulsive, more aggressive, and more likely to make risky decisions, like, sure, I'll skydive with no parachute if it gets me a juice box. They weren't thinking straight. Their cognitive control, sluggish, their emotional regulation, meh. It was like their brains were glitching, but just a little. Why? Because your brain is a diva. It needs proper hydration to maintain neurotransmitter balance, blood flow, and temperature regulation. Without it, the decision-making part of your brain, the prefrontal cortex, goes on strike. When you're dehydrated, your cortisol levels rise. Your brain becomes hyper-alert, but not in a good way, more like paranoid and crabby. You misinterpret neutral faces as hostile. You take risks you wouldn't otherwise. So, that risky DM? The angry email? That weird crypto investment? Maybe. You were just one glass of water away from clarity. Let's make it real. Imagine a jury member voting guilty because they're dehydrated. A doctor making a risky call. A parent yelling at their kid. A teenager hitting send on a text they'll regret for 5 years. A pilot makes a high-stakes error after hours without fluids. Office meltdowns happen at 3 p.m., coincidentally when most people are low-key dehydrated. Athletes choke in the last quarter, partly due to brain fatigue from fluid loss. All because they needed a glass of water. And here's where it gets spooky. In prison, some facilities reportedly delay water before questioning. Some researchers argue suspects are more suggestible when thirsty. Coincidence or manipulation? The military and elite sports organizations track hydration obsessively. They know the brain becomes vulnerable without it. Could dehydration be used to influence behavior? Make someone more compliant, confused, angry, and the corporate world? Some workplaces intentionally limit bathroom breaks, aka discourage drinking water. Less water, more errors, more burnout. What if water deprivation isn't a side effect? It's a strategy? It sounds ridiculous, until you remember how often we ignore thirst. That low-key headache, the dry lips, the brain fog, that's not just being tired. That's your brain quietly short-circuiting. We think we're in control of our choices, but your brain is basically like, sorry, no serotonin until you feed me H2O. This isn't just about water, it's about how fragile human decision-making really is. A tiny shift in biology can tilt your moral compass. So next time you feel off before self-diagnosing a personality disorder, drink some water. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Are you angry? Or just thirsty? For more eerie brain glitches and bizarre science that explains your worst behavior, subscribe to Wired Weird. Hit like, share this with your perpetually angry coworker, and remember, you're not toxic. You're just thirsty.